on YouTube. This is day 2 of our 5.3 heads cam 71 Buick Skylark. They've been messing with it a little bit this morning. I just got here. Let's see what all they got done.
Alright, so put the purple degreaser on everything today with it outside, and we scrub it with the wire brush, and then we're going to hit it with the pressure washer. Once it's pressure washed, we'll go ahead and dry it with an air hose and tape everything up. Probably hear me, but this is a good little trick for when you're trying to hurry the process up and you want to hurry up and get the painting. You want to make sure that you get all the water out of all the little nooks and crevices, because otherwise when you come through painting, it'll blow water out and it'll mess the paint job up. So, something to remember.
Alright, now that it's all dry, we're going to go ahead and start taping everything up and get it ready to put this self-etching primer on. Try to fill in some of these gaps and stuff.
Notice
make it a little bit smoother.
You always start at the bottom, overlap going up, because you don't want the paint to run into the top of the tape line right there, because it'll set on top of the tape and sometimes get in behind it.
It'll get in behind it. Yeah. But go ahead and get this thing taped up and start getting this engine bay cleaned up and ready to go. Alright, so right this second, we're going to overlap the fenders. Newspaper. Keep from getting any overspray or anything on the fenders. Yeah, retape. Getting there. Fender's all taped up. On the wiper cowl right now. I'm taping this side, Blake's taping that side. James is doing the grinding down, trying to get rid of some of this rust. Make sure it's nice and smooth, so we got a good surface to get paint to. Get it done. Right this second, taking off this wiper cowl. Trying to get this off so that we can get this painted.
Y'all learn real quick. I'm the one that's always joking around. That stuff is on there. Let me tell you what. But James is definitely on it. It's gonna look good. Mikey's back here. He's just blowing that cowl off now. We get everything taped up and painted. Won't be long. The little things, you know.
Hey Mikey, we could almost polish that motherfucker. What do we say if he come back, all that shit was painted and that was polished? Give Blake a couple hours.
Alright, well, James got the old mounts ground off. They had some old funky backyard stick welds going on. We're going to be replacing those and trying to fix someone else's screw up, I guess. But let's get back at it. Grinding down all this paint. Years and layers of
I think that
spray
black
paint.
is an enamel paint. That's the reason why it's so thick.
Yeah.
Regular paint won't stick to enamel, so we gotta get it all off.
Yeah. But getting there. Alright, we got everything taped off. Got everything ground down and primered. Still gotta do something about this frame here, but it's starting to come together. Alright, well that's gonna wrap it up for day 2. See what we got going on. We got everything sanded down, all the old excess layers of paint off. We got our mounts ground off. Everything taped up and masked off. It looks really good. I think Drake's gonna be happy with it. Y'all do me a favor, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned in for all of our next videos. See you tomorrow for day 3.